how to make TikTok business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your brand on TikTok, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create your very own TikTok business account. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app and then go to the menu icon, that is your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There you'll find settings and privacy. Tap on it and then tap on account. Here you'll have to tap on switch to business account. This will unlock powerful tools to help grow your brand. So tap on next and keep tapping on next, and here you'll have to choose a category. So this category won't be displayed publicly, but choose the one that best describes your account. So once you've done that, tap next, and then you can either add your email or just skip it. You can also add your bio, and then you're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.